I've always been fascinated by the hidden connections in our urban landscapes. Have you ever wondered how a simple patch of green could transform a neighborhood? Well, buckle up, because we're about to embark on a journey through Detroit's concrete jungle, where nature and property values dance in an unexpected harmony. From towering trees to tiny pollinators, we'll uncover the green secrets that are reshaping our city's future. Let's start with a mind-boggling fact. Proximity to well-maintained green spaces can boost property values by a whopping 5 to 20%. But here's the kicker. It's not just about having a park nearby. The quality of these green spaces and the economic conditions of the neighborhood play a crucial role in this green value proposition. These green spaces are like nature's own real estate agents, working tirelessly to increase the value of our neighborhoods. Now, let's zoom in on our own backyard. Detroit. Our city has been quietly undergoing a green revolution, and at the forefront is an organization aptly named the Greening of Detroit. These urban superheroes have overseen the planting and nurturing of more than 130,000 trees. That's not just a forest, it's a testament to Detroit's resilience and vision for a greener future. But why trees, you ask? Well, these leafy giants are multitaskers extraordinaire. They clean our air, cool our streets, and yes, they make our properties more valuable. Now let's think small, really small. I'm talking about our tiny winged friends, the pollinators. Imagine a city where concrete deserts bloom into thriving havens for wildlife and people alike. At Rescue MI Nature Now Inc., small Detroit-based organization, we're making this vision a reality, 1 acre at a time. While we don't have a ton of specific studies on how pollinator habitats affect property values, we do know that urban gardens and green initiatives can work some serious magic. These buzzing oases can increase rent prices and attract wealthier residents, which sounds great on paper, but it's a double-edged sword. It can lead to what experts call physical and cultural displacement. The key is to create inclusive green spaces that benefit everyone. As we've seen, from towering trees to tiny pollinators, every bit of green in our urban landscape plays a role in shaping Detroit's future. These aren't just pretty spaces. They're economic powerhouses, community builders, and nature's own real estate agents. So next time you pass a community garden or a newly planted tree, remember, you're witnessing the growth of not just a greener Detroit, but a more valuable, resilient, and vibrant one too. Let's keep growing Detroit and nurture a future where nature and urban life thrive together. Right now, overgrown lots and vacant land are untapped opportunities to fight climate change, restore ecosystems, and build healthier communities. But we can't do it alone. With your support, we've already revitalized over 4 acres, planting native species and restoring the tree canopy. Together, we're reducing carbon footprints and bringing nature back to Detroit. This isn't just about planting trees, it's about planting hope. Join the movement. Visit www.rescuenaturenow.org to donate and help create a sustainable Detroit for future generations. Rescue MI Nature Now, Inc. Transforming Spaces, Restoring Nature.